What's gotten into you there, Bill?
Oh yeah, g'day Terry. Oh jeez mate, I tell you, it's that bloody Finding Your True North workshop at the 0 Point Yoga Wednesday. Wouldn't you believe it, I've gone to get a ticket and the bloody thing sold out on me.
Oh, geez, Bill, I'm bloody sorry to hear about that, mate. Good for them. You know, Bill, now I think of it, mate, I think I've seen that same bloke and I know what you're talking about, and I actually think they've got another one coming up.
You're joking.
Yeah, no, they do. They do, Bill. I bloody saw it the other day. Actually, I think the tickets have just gone live.
Well, when is the bloody thing?
It's this Sunday, same joint, 0 Point Yoga, and from 1 till 3.
That's the best news I've bloody heard all day. I'm getting myself a ticket right now.